In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Wrike. If you spend a lot of time in Wrike, managing projects, tasks, or collaborating with your team, switching to dark mode can make the interface much easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments. It can also help reduce eye strain and make the colors on your screen feel more comfortable during long working sessions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow so you can quickly turn on dark mode in your Wrike workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and that your workspace is open in your browser. Once you can see your Wrike interface, look toward the upper left area of the screen. There, you should see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circular image, your initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and personal settings. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Appearance. The Appearance section is where Wrike lets you customize how the interface looks and feels, including things like theme and color mode. Carefully move your cursor down the menu and click on Appearance. When you select it, Wrike will take you to a dedicated settings page or panel where you can adjust visual preferences. On the appearance screen, you should now see different theme choices. Typically, you'll find options such as light, dark, or sometimes a system or auto mode that follows your device settings. In this case, we're focusing on enabling dark mode specifically. Look for the option labeled dark. It may appear as a button, a radio option, or a tile showing a darker interface preview. Once you've located it, click on dark to apply the dark theme to your workspace. After you click, Wrike should switch to the dark color scheme almost immediately. You'll notice that backgrounds become darker, text adjusts to remain readable, and the overall interface takes on a more subdued look. This change applies across your Wrike workspace, including your inbox, tasks, and project views. If at any point you decide you prefer the original look, you can simply return to the same appearance settings and switch back to the light option. That's all you need to do to enable dark mode in Wrike. Open your profile menu, go to Appearance, and select Dark.